a coverage sack. They wrestle him down in the backfield. Gibson, Dudek gets swallowed up. He loses a yard, hangs onto the football as it almost pops free. Play action, 1st and 10. Knopf rolls out all day. Over the middle has Carlson. Has a first down up across their own 40-yard line. First catch of the day for Stephen Carlson. Knopf pressured over the middle, has Horsted, shakes a tackle, shakes another. There goes Jesper Horsted across the 50, across the 40, across the 30 to the 20, to the 10. Touchdown, Princeton. No flags on the field. The Tigers take it 88 yards. Over the middle, has a man, Besh, one-on-one behind the defense, has it in stride. There goes Tiger Besh from 58 yards out into the end zone. Touchdown, Princeton on the first play of the drive. Horsted in motion, Knopf over the middle, slant, Carlson, touchdown. Knopf back to pass, pocket collapses, steps up over the middle, airs it out, Adamitis one-on-one, as it sneaks behind the defense, tripped up by the 20-yard line. Chad Knopf is going to go to the air, good protection now, hit as he throws over the middle, has Besh, behind the defense, there goes Tiger Besh, across the 25 to the 20 to the 15, and he gets brought down to the 14. Over the middle, has Besh, complete across midfield, another big hit, Knopf to Besh.